Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the today's question. This question is based on the concepts of determinant and greatest integer function. In this question, we have been given a 3 by 3 order matrix A containing elements in the form of greatest integer function. And it is given that determinant of A is equal to 192 and we have to find the interval for the values of x. Fine. Now students, in this question we have to use one very basic property of greatest integer function, and that is greatest integer function of x plus n, where n is any integer. Then this value can be written as greatest integer function of x plus n. That means n can be taken outside the greatest integer function. Fine. Now, since 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them are integers, so I can rewrite this matrix as A equal to GIF function of x plus 1, then GIF function of x plus 2, then GIF function of x plus 3. In the second row, we have GIF function of x, then GIF function of x plus 3, then GIF function of x plus 3. And in the last row, we have GIF function of x, then GIF function of x plus 2, and then GIF function of x plus 4. And this is the matrix A. Fine. Now students, for the sake of convenience, I am putting GIF function of x as y. And now we will put the determinant value of A equal to 190. So now we will expand this determinant and find its value and put it equal to 192 in order to get an equation in terms of y. And then we will solve for the value of y. Now students, the determinant of A becomes, in the first row, we have the elements as y plus 1, then y plus 2, then y plus 3. In the second row, the elements are y, then y plus 3, then y plus 3. In the third row, the elements are y, then y plus 2, then y plus 4. And this value of the determinant is given to us as 192. Now students, in order to simplify this determinant, we will perform some operations. Now the first operation that we are going to perform is R1 tending to R1 minus R3, and simultaneously we will perform the second operation, and that is R2 tending to R2 minus R3. So after performing these operations, the elements in the first row become 1, 0 and minus 1, and in the second row the elements are 0, then 1, then minus 1, and the elements of the third row are same as before. Now just expand this determinant along the first row. So you will be getting 1 into y plus 4 plus y plus 2, and then minus 1 into minus y, and this is equal to 192. Now students, just solve this equation. You will be getting 3y plus 6 equal to 192, or 3y equal to 186, or y equal to 62. Right? Now we know that y is nothing but GIF function of x. So GIF function of x is equal to 62. This implies that x is greater than or equal to 62 but less than 63. So hence option C is the correct one. Now students, next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.